Hi, this is Lucas from Kingmilan Laser in China. It has been close to Chinese New Year. Wish you all the best in 2009. In 2018, our machine has been exported to over 50 countries and regions. Patented products, LF92 is widely acceptable among customers. Compared to the normal modes, we make some improvements. The first one, 10-inch touch screen. The operation is very convenient. The second one, we replace the air cooling by TEC temperature control system. The third one, dust seal design represents corrosive dust from damaging internal electrical components. Improve the stability and service life. The class of safety level is IP65. This mode is specially for PVC pipe, PE pipe, and PPR pipe. Thanks again for all your support. Kingmilan Laser Factory is only 1 hour away from Shanghai Airport. We can drive to pick you up. Welcome to Kingmilan.